Hello, my friends. Today, we're not in the kitchen, but we're still talking about a very important recipe, one for your future. Life insurance is simple and essential, like learning to make a perfect omelet. Just as you keep olive oil and garlic ready, life insurance is a key ingredient for your financial pantry. It helps you prepare for life's surprises so you can enjoy today without worry. The smartest people prep their ingredients before cooking, and for life too. Thinking about life insurance now is preparing for a future you can't yet see. It's a foundation for the amazing life you'll create for yourself and your loved ones. Let's begin our financial recipe together. What is life insurance? It's simple. You pay a regular premium, and if you pass away, your loved ones get a tax-free payout. It's financial protection for your family, an act of love and responsibility. There are two main types, term and permanent. Term is affordable and covers you for a set period. Permanent lasts your whole life and builds cash value. Life insurance protects your family and helps you build a nest egg. Let's keep going. The most important job of life insurance is protection. Imagine a family losing a parent. Their income disappears, but bills and dreams remain. Life insurance steps in, providing money to pay the mortgage, cover education, and handle expenses. The death benefit arrives tax-free, offering stability when it's needed most. Here's a simple example. Maria and David buy term life insurance after having a baby. If tragedy strikes, Maria receives enough to pay off the house and secure their child's future. The insurance can't erase grief, but it removes financial panic. That's the heart of life insurance. It's about the people you love. It's the ultimate act of responsibility and planning. If you find this helpful, like and subscribe for more financial wisdom. This protection is the foundation of your financial plan. But there's another layer we can add. Let's see how life insurance can also help you grow your wealth. Ready for the next step? Let's go. Some types of life insurance, like permanent policies, can help you build wealth. Remember the cash value? It's a secret savings account inside your policy. Part of your premium goes into this account, which grows tax-deferred over time. It's a safe, steady way to build an asset, protected from market ups and downs. You can borrow from your cash value, tax-free for things like a down payment on a home or starting a business. The interest rates are often better than a bank, and you pay it back on your own schedule. Your family's protection stays in place as long as the loan is managed. Imagine Maria and David, years later, using their policy's cash value to help their child buy a first apartment. In retirement, they can use it to supplement income. It's a flexible tool, protection and wealth building in one. That's the beauty of permanent life insurance. It's more than a safety net. It's your own private bank. Let's wrap up. We've prepared our financial recipe. Now let's see the final dish. Life insurance is a shield for your family and a tool for your future. The best time to get it is when you're young and healthy. The cost is low and the benefits last for decades. Permanent life insurance can also help you build wealth, offering flexibility for life's big moments. It's a simple step with powerful results. Don't be intimidated. At its heart, life insurance is about love, responsibility, and smart planning. Take control of your financial life and create a secure tomorrow for yourself and those you care about. See life insurance as one of the smartest tools in your financial kitchen. It's a recipe for security, opportunity, and peace of mind. Thank you for joining me. Now go start building your amazing future. Happy cooking and happy planning.